Maharam Government Higher Secondary School Mawphor haka khat new but khat pratarik unailar araja r4r kalapanlong yika talent fest araja r4r ban penslori ki khna school katai ka shlem ai jingi kai bakin pen I yala ki sap kerpang bakidon hakate ka tama sapen I sam ki khna school ki lai shim menta da ka jing Shitrhem habaro ki jingye ko baper khamtam haba ki la yo byang yakate ka lan ka ba ki la do haki artli ki snem ki balale namar jong ka khlam coronavirus Ubabu Wando Nongbet in charge principal Jonga School Habakren Hagate Katama Sapen Isap ki Kina School Ulong baka jingpyn-i Jonga School Yakate ka Talent Fest Manla Usnem Kalong ban penslori ki samla pule bakin mi syakmat ban pen-i kasap kapong kabakidon khnang bakan yarap yaki ban penpau purthe yala kasap bakinla ban penjanai hakisngi ki por ki banwan nakabanta kalaway bapharnai jongki Uba Astai Singh Kharbateng, Sub-Inspector of Schools, Katnat Puli Puti, Southwest Kasil District, Mawphor, Balongru Unong Hikai Barim Jongate ka Shlem Aji Hikai, Uladan Rengkat Hagate ka Tamasa. Hakabakut ka ka Tamasa Pen Isap, Usamla Ilas Starson Marwen, Ula job kum most talented boy, but kasamla Bala Biang Wanyang kum ka most talented girl na peding kinong shimbenta baro.
The school plays a part in nurturing, in developing the talents, in bringing out the talents from the students. And we are organizing this talent fest in order to bring out, in order to tap the talents, the potentialities that you are having. So, and this year, it is in a way very special because we have given opportunities to all students. Students were screened from different classes. And in today's program, we will be seeing the best from all of you.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with a mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.